Here I've got OnePlus 8 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then click on the More icon, go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated, and you can either update one particular application, for example Google Drive, by tapping on Update right next to this application name, and then it will be done. So at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Meanwhile, you can use your phone in a normal way, it will be done in the background, and if you will go back there, you will be able to observe the progress, or you will find it under Recently Updated. But also you can update all applications at once. To do it, just click on Update All, and it will be done. So that would be all, so you can update apps in your OnePlus 8. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.